Good morning to my lecturer. I am Jiyendra Rao Anaraki Gopal, matrix number 16-18 F2002, class DAM 5A. Today, I am here to present the project that I have worked on titled Smart Door Lock System. The product description of Smart Door Lock System is this project is based on security system. Second, prevent not authorities enter to the store. It is important features of every premise. Only authorized individuals that are recorded into the system are able to pass through the door. The door has attached two systems. One is face recognition and enter a password. The objectives of the smart door lock system is to design a system performing locking and unlocking using a high technology. Second, to build a door that has higher security level. Now, security is very important nowadays. So it is high recommended to use a door with high secure level. This door also is to identify and secure the access to the store. Identification at the authorized individual to secure the access to the premise. The methodology of this project is based on face recognition technology. Second, electronic security system captures the facial details and saves the data electronically into the database of the system. This system makes it easier to match it the next time. It has performs a match with safe face ID. If finds match, it gives a permission for access to the premise. This is the programming of smart door lock system. First is automatically start, capture the image, compare the image with store image in database. If the image has recognized, the door will open. If no, the door will lock. Back to the system, it will be end. Second option is manual. Start, enter a password. If the password is correct, the door will unlock. If the password is not correct, it will alert by alarm back to the system and will be end. This is the circuit of the smart door lock system. This is the installation technical drawing. LCD display. LCD display used to show the enter password. It will be correct or wrong. PI camera. The PI camera is directly connected with the camera slot. Keypad. Keypad is used to enter characters that is required to access the door. In this project, keypad is implemented for password feature. The second stage to access the door is to enter a password. Solenoid door lock. The solenoid is used when a user unlocks the lock. A current traveling through a coil of wire creates a magnetic field that attracts a metal plunger or locking pin. The locking pin moves in an unlocked position state against a spring. The capacity of the smart door lock system is about the safety of the properties in the store. Second, allow in keeping a record of movement of people exit, such as in and out. Unlock. The door will unlock within 3 to 6 seconds once recognize the individuals. Market potential. The product has the commercial potential to be purchased and used for the stores. The target is the target customers are store and warehouse owners that provide for the smart door lock system for more safety of their goods. Finally, I believe this smart door lock system will be a great venture in the future business. Thank you.